Ostriches are the largest living birds on Earth and can grow up to 9 feet tall. Although they cannot fly, they are incredible runners, reaching speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. This makes them one of the fastest animals on land. An ostrich's eyes are actually bigger than its brain, giving it excellent vision to spot danger from far away. Their long, powerful legs are not just for running. A single kick can seriously injure predators like lions. Ostriches also lay the largest eggs in the world. Each one weighing as much as 24 chicken eggs. Despite popular belief, ostriches do not bury their heads in the sand. When threatened, they lower their heads to the ground to blend into their surroundings. Ostriches are a powerful reminder that nature creates giants in the most unexpected ways.